Every possible bike, every possible rim size of bike. 20s, 24s, 26, kids, 18, 12s, adults, multi-suspension, cruisers, and adult mountain bikes. Every possible bike you can think of. Complete clean out or complete store revamp for security purposes. For this to be empty like this, it must be a overnight. It came through at night and took these bikes and restocked them somewhere else. For a rack to be this cleaned out and not replenished is interesting. So let's find us a location and get some bikes built. Fresh, clean rack.